I knew with SOLIDWORKS I could take it from first idea to finished products.
SOLIDWORKS is really is the go-to tool for doing 3D CAD type work. It's incredibly intuitive, it's easy to get up and running very quickly, and it seems to be very common language amongst a lot of the startup community right now.
I started using SOLIDWORKS to create mouse.
To make the best base products in the world.
It's an inflatable incubator made for the developing world.
A solar-powered weeding robot for home gardens.
A solar cell phone charging station and Wi-Fi hotspot.
This is Zombie. That's actually a dead fish that's swimming.
How could we recreate the beverage supply chain with significantly less waste?
Bevy is the future of the beverage industry.
The assembly tools, the part building tools inside of SOLIDWORKS were really our workhorse for how we got our designs from out of our heads and into something we could show people.
If we didn't have those tools, then it would not be possible to do. So it was not a help, it was a need.
So all our sheet metal design is done in SOLIDWORKS, all our CAD modeling is in SOLIDWORKS, and we use SOLIDWORKS to manage a lot of our bill of materials. I became an engineer because I like making things. It's a really satisfying feeling to say we have gone from just a simple sketch and a piece of paper and an idea and taken that from nothing all the way through a fully detailed CAD model that we can manufacture. And we're going to have actual parts coming off the line within a month.
For me, it was the community of SOLIDWORKS that really helped, because there were things that I wasn't sure how to do, and so I'd research the community of, I want to do this, how do I do this, and it brings things to life. You've got this thing in your head, this dream, and you start putting it onto a CAD program and creating a 3D model. You can really start to feel, oh wow, this could potentially be something.
SOLIDWORKS is really everywhere.